Good morning to all. I am Geeta, Assistant Professor from ECE Department, Rogini College of Engineering and Technology. I am going to handle the subject on medical electronics. So now I am going to discuss about the topic on diathermy. So after completion, the students will be able to define diathermy, what are the types of diathermy, then what are the advantages of diathermy. So first, what is meant by diathermy? So the diathermy is a treatment process by which cutting, coagulation of tissues are obtained. So application of high frequency electromagnetic energy. So this is the main application. Then this will be mainly used to generate the heat in body tissues. Then the heat will be produced by the resistance of tissues. Also, this will be used for non-thermal effects. So now we are going to see the types of diathermy. We are having 4 types of diathermy. One is short wave, ultrasonic diathermy, microwave diathermy, and surgical diathermy. Physiologic response of diathermy. So not capable of producing depolarization and contractions of muscles. So next, the wavelength is too short. So the physiologic effect or those of heart in general, so the tissue's temperature will be increased blood flow, that is vasodilation, increased venous and lymphatic flow, then changes in physical properties of tissues, then muscle relaxation, then analgesia. Diathermy is a treatment process by which cutting and coagulation of tissues are obtained. So in this diathermy, this is a form of treatment in physical therapy that uses the electromagnetic current at high frequencies, and also we have to use the low frequencies. So if you are using the high frequencies, the treatment will be done in a speed way. So if you are using the low frequency system, the treatment process will be done in a little bit late. So mainly for the treatment process, we have to use the high frequencies. So if you are using the high frequencies diathermy treatment process, so the cutting and the coagulation of tissues can be easily obtained. So for the high frequencies of heart tissues, this will be located in the different path. So we have to select the different depth. So based on this, the high frequency heart tissues will be located. So the low frequencies, the heart is typically used to relieve a patient from muscle pain and repair of tissues that suffered from lesion, that is wound or injury. So the diathermy treatment is generally painless, and the target is to recover the damaged tissue with heat, to relax the tight tissue, to increase the blood flow and reduce swelling. So based on this treatment, so the damaged tissue will be easily recovered. This form, the thermal therapy, this is typically used to treat the muscle spasm or tension, so the stiff joints and muscle joint will be easily recovered. So this will be mainly used to generate the heat in body tissues. So mainly the heat will be produced from the body tissues. So based on this, the diathermy treatment process will be attained. So some advantages will be having in the diathermy treatment process. So if you are using the treatment, this will be controlled easily. So if you are using the appropriate electrodes, so this will be permit the heart to be localized only the regions to be treated. The amount of hot that is delivered, this will be adjusted accurately. Then interlying tissues, muscles, bones, then internal organs. So these can be provided with heat by using high frequency. So for the major things we have to use the high frequency treatment process. So after completing the diathermy, the quiz question is based on an induction field diathermy. The heating effects is done by dash. Thank you.